Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something that'll be a real piece of cake. No, I'm not talking about actual cake, although that's delicious too. I'm talking about the English idiom, piece of cake. So what does it mean? When we say something is a piece of cake, it means it's super easy, like as easy as eating cake. For example, if someone says that test was a piece of cake, they mean it was easy for them to do. Let's break it down. Why cake? Well, cakes are typically sweet, enjoyable, and eating them doesn't require much effort. Unless you try to eat the whole thing in one sitting.
No, it's a piece of cake. Piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
Yeah, it's a piece of cake.
Now it's your turn. Try using this idiom in your daily conversations. And remember, learning English can be a piece of cake if you make it fun.